Welcome back, guys, to another video. And this, nah, just kidding. I don't, just a little bit like this. Yeah. Anyways, in this video, we're gonna be painting the GT Mustang and then take the car home and we'll go from there. Alright, guys, so the car is home today. More work. Well, it has to be done. Anyways, I'll probably start with the door right now, trying to put the harness wire so the window will go up and down, because right now it's stuck halfway. The door is empty, so nothing works. But I'll do the door and then start installing the side skirts, bumper, and I might not even put the bumper because it gotta take the car to the alignment. The front wheel is leaning in, and it's gonna be easier for them to work on the car without the bumper. But I'm not gonna be doing anything until my brother comes. Maybe I'll do the door. We'll see. Depends how long it's gonna take him, because I need help. So we'll just wait. Cheers. No, he's not here yet. Alright, guys, let me show you the door. So the door is pretty beat up, but I'm still gonna try to see if it can save the panel, and it might be good. I don't know. I'll have to pull it out and look from inside if all the clips are healthy or not. But this side looks a little better, so I'll pull it out and see if I can save this one. If not, that's $100 something for another one. Check this out. It fits perfect. It's not bent, it's not cracked, everything is good, which means I'm saving time and money. I don't have to go look for another one and buy it. Everything is good with this door. I mean, I still have to put the harness and speakers and everything else, and then I'm gonna actually install it. Right now it's just holding like that with no bolts. But yeah, this is perfect. so I'm gonna do this one first. The other one, I'm still missing this plastic over here. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere over here. I just have to go through some of the stuff and find it. But for now, I'm gonna throw this one in right now.
Alright guys, so we just installed the side skirt, but we forgot one main thing, which is this piece right here. So we forgot to install this piece. So now I gotta take it off and then put that on and then put the side skirt back on again. So let's do it.
And that's why I'm trying to keep all my parts, even if they're damaged, until the car is complete, because of little things like that. And bracket. Right, we got the skirts in, the headlight is in. We didn't put the bumper because I gotta take the car to the shop and fix the wheel. It's leaning in a little bit and do the alignment. But I didn't get the papers on the car yet, so I'm not supposed to drive this car, especially without the bumper, because it's kind of sketchy. I can get pulled over and they'll take my car. But I don't have time to call a towing to tow this car, so I guess we're gonna have to risk and drive this thing to the shop. Get there before it's too late, because they're closing in a little bit.
Looks like the battery is dead again.
That only happens when you're running late somewhere. Come on. Well, we're driving. I really hope there is no cops right now on the streets, but usually they're always. And the car, as you see, it's all naked, no door, no seats, no door panels, nothing. And the wheel is like this, so it pulls me right now to the left. But at least we're moving. We gotta get there on time. I only have like 10 more minutes and the shop is closing. Well, I called the guy, told him I'm coming, so I hope he's gonna wait. If you're not, I'm driving back. And we're back on the GT. Well, I dropped the car last night, we made it safe. Next day the guy called me, told me they need to buy a shock and knuckle. So I found it the same day, took it to the shop. He fixed everything, did the alignments, so the car runs healthy and nice. I took the car home. Now what's left is to put that bumper and everything around the bumper. We're actually gonna complete this from outside. What's up everybody, that's another day on this Mustang build. We're finally done from exterior. What's left is the interior, but I'll talk about that a little later. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car outside and show you guys around how it looks like. And there she is, looking all beautiful and clean. I don't know if you guys can see, but this mirror on this side, it's a little different color. I just got in yesterday from eBay, so it didn't paint it yet. I'll just pop that cap and paint it for now, but other than that, it's gonna be all vinyl wrapped because we are changing the whole color. Now this over here, I'm missing the 5.0 sign, and there is like a couple little holes. So for now I just put my sticker, because later on when we get the body, white body, it's gonna cover everything, so there's no reason for me to buy another 5.0 sign. Everything is gonna be covered. There's gonna be like a air pocket and stuff. It's gonna be crazy white body. Other than that, that's the car. That's the side that was damaged pretty bad. Not too bad, but bad enough for us to change the skin on the bottom and paint the whole side, quarter panel, door, the top over there, and the fender. We got the new fender actually, but the color, it's perfect, matches really good. The gaps are really good. It turned out to be good. Interior is not done yet. That's gonna be on the next video. Definitely it's gonna be a new look when it's done. Of course we're gonna keep the roof black like this. I like it. We're not gonna do nothing on top. And that's the exterior on the Mustang 5.0. Now you guys let me know what you think. Maybe you guys have some better idea what to do with this beast. Guys, check what we got for this baby. Basically, we're going from original to Recaro seats. So definitely stay tuned for the next video. This is coming soon. Right guys, that was a little sneak peek on the new seats that we got for this GT. But other than that, I want to say thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe. And don't forget to find us on Instagram, Custom Auto Build. And I'll catch you guys later.